before actually. We met a lot of contractors and everyone. And it was a chit chat with everyone. We got the details and we got the, what you can say, the nook and corners of the construction and everything. And we were checking the feasibility of us because we were in a plan. Right? We have our own planning restrictions and everything. So before meeting you, it was a bit, what you can say, wandering around Mysore. Maybe we searched around 5 to 6 contractors. We were not in builder stage, but we were in 5 to 6 contractors. The team is really a professional team. They have a, I can say, bundle of knowledge.
What I expect,
It was very well actually. The experience of your team speaks to all of us.